Brad Williams, XL Prime. This is just a review. All we're doing is looking at does not contain. We're going to use wildcards, all right? You've done this in the past. The question is, are we looking at case sensitive or not? Let's review. You can use the COUNTIF function to count the number of cells that do not contain certain text. But here we're going to put a wildcard. We have an A. COUNTIF counts the number of cells in the list that do not contain an A. That means anywhere in here, an A, by comparing each cell's content to the supplied pattern. The asterisk is a wildcard in Excel. That means match any number of characters. Not equal to means does not equal to. So this pattern will count any cell that does not contain the letter A. The return value is the number of cells that match this pattern. You can easily modify this formula to utilize the contents of a different cell containing the text you do not wish to count. Here's the formula. COUNTIF D2. This is the format I strongly recommend you incorporate. COUNTIFs to exclude blank cells as well. You can change to COUNTIFs. Why? Multiple criteria. And add another criterion as follows. Question is this case sensitive? And yes, it is. You can go down here and look. You're going to find how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And no, it is not case sensitive. It'll pick up every A. So it does not contain an A. Well, this thing you can't break down. It doesn't show you. Can't break down the count. I don't think you can. COUNTIF F9. This is just going to give us 6. And that's the weakness. So you have to visually just go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Does not contain ABC. Now that's a little more definitive. So we know we're not counting ABC, ABC. So it should be 6 again. And then does not count XYZ. Well, reverse it. How many ABCs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does not count XYZs, all right? Just a review. I want you to stay up to date with the different tools. Here, the wildcard, that is sometimes just completely lost. Brad Williams, XL Prime.